For many decades, the field of human resources has primarily been concerned about developing and preserving human capital. While this approach is not entirely wrong, there is a growing demand for managers and professionals who are data savvy. So, the goal of this course is to provide the fundamentals of HR analytics and help both managers and professionals develop and refine their people analytics skills to analyze, visualize data that inform decisions related to various aspects of HR in the workplace. For example, employee engagement, talent acquisition, training and development, and more importantly, persuade decision makers to act. This course would also play a crucial role in helping participants tackle and strategically position themselves on issues related to human capital in the workplace. So I invite leaders, managers, HR professionals, hiring managers, consultants, and policymakers to come forward and join this people analytics roadmap to retain, preserve, and develop human capital. I look forward to welcoming you to this course.